Scenario. A motion detector outputs the following data for a pendulum swing in a simple harmonic motion. Question. How can a student use the data from the motion detector to determine the acceleration of the object? The object they're referring to is the mass on the pendulum. Given this velocity versus time graph, you can use the slope of the tangent line that matches the line of best fit on the curve. The tangent line here will give you the acceleration. The tangent line is that blue line, and it is a linear line, and it only touches that curve once. Question. What is the acceleration of the object at that time t equals to 9 seconds? 9 seconds can be looked at right here, and you want to see the acceleration at that moment. Here's the problem. You cannot actually determine the acceleration at that single point of time without calculus. The instantaneous acceleration at a single moment of time would actually be the derivative at that moment. You cannot actually find the acceleration at one time. What you would need are 2 points. This leads us to our third question. What is the total change in the object speed between the time t equals to 9 to t equals to 10? Notice here, this is between 2 points. It says here, the total change in the object speed, this language that the question refers to, is just another word for just saying acceleration. Here you could find it. What you need to do are grabbing 2 points. This is the first point, which is time 0, velocity 0. The second point is going to be time 1 and velocity 1. Now you could plug it into the acceleration formula, which is delta v over delta t, v1 minus v0 divided by t1 minus t0. Plugging in the values, you should get the value of 0.2 meters per second squared. If you would like to see the units, velocity here gives you the meters per second. The time down here gets you the second. That's why the acceleration is 0.2 meters per second squared. The difference between the second question and the third question is that the third question can actually give you the acceleration if you have it between 2 points.